Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make barbecue sauce for pulled pork. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of rich ketchup, 1/4 cup of tangy apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of savory Worcestershire sauce. For sweetness, grab 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then, for that classic barbecue flavor, add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and ½ a teaspoon of onion powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper adds a gentle kick, and don't forget salt and black pepper to taste. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to bring them together. Pour everything into a medium saucepan and place it over medium heat. Whisk the mixture continuously to ensure the brown sugar completely dissolves and all the flavors meld beautifully. Once it reaches a gentle simmer, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. This slow simmer allows the flavors to deepen and harmonize. After simmering, it's crucial to taste your barbecue sauce and make any necessary adjustments. This is where you truly make it your own. If you prefer a sweeter sauce, simply add a bit more brown sugar. For a tangier profile, a splash more apple cider vinegar will do the trick. Craving more heat? A little extra cayenne pepper will deliver. For a deeper, smoky essence, consider adding just a dash of liquid smoke. Keep tasting and adjusting until it's perfect for your pulled pork. Once your delicious barbecue sauce is ready, let it cool down completely before storing. This step is important for both safety and flavor preservation. Transfer the cooled sauce into an airtight container or a clean jar. You can keep this homemade goodness in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ensuring it stays fresh and flavorful. When you're ready to enjoy, simply warm it up and generously spoon it over your tender, shredded pulled pork for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.